Question number 14 of exercise 32B. Our 14th question is, each side of the square tile is 60 centimeter. How many tiles will be required to cover the floor? Side of the tile is 60 centimeter and side of the floor length is 50 meter. It means 5000 centimeter. Why we have converted this meter into centimeter? Because tile measurement is in centimeter. So we have to change the unit of the length, and breadth is 36 meters. Simply multiply by 100 because 1 meter consists of 100 centimeter. 1 meter consists of 100 centimeter. So to convert meter in centimeter, multiply by 100. So we have multiplied by 100 here, multiply by 100 here. So this is 5000 centimeter and this is 3600 centimeter. Now number of tiles we have to find out. So tiles we will place in area. These are the tiles. How many tiles are required there to cover this area of floor? Simply divide the floor area by the tile area. So number of tiles equal to area of floor upon area of tile. This is 5000 into 3600. Length into breadth means area. 60 into 60. These two zeros will be cancelled and 6 is 6 36. 36 will be cancelled by this 36. 36 1 36. It means 5000 is remain there. So simply number of tiles will be 5000. To find in 13th question already we discussed over the number of tiles required to cover the floor area. Simply divide the area of the floor by the area of the tile. Now question 16. Our 16th question is, perimeter of the rectangular field is 500 meter. Length is 150 meter. Perimeter is given there 500 meter. Length is given there 150 meter. So we have to find out first one breadth, second one area, and third one cost of plowing. Perimeter is this and length is this. Using this perimeter and length we can find out the breadth. This is 150. Breadth is find out perimeter 2 into L plus V. This is the formula of perimeter 2 into length plus breadth. Place the perimeter 500 and length is 150. Length 150. This is 500. Divide 500 by 2. We transfer 2 from RHS to LHS. This will be in division because here this is in multiplication. This is the multiply symbol here. So 2 will be in division. Then 500 divided by 2 means 250 equal to 150 plus B. Side change of the 150. Then this will be 250 minus 150. Here this is positive value. When it will go to the another side, its symbol will be changed there. Then this will be 250 minus 150 equal to 100 meter. Then breadth of the rectangular field is 100 meter. Now we have breadth, we have length. Now using breadth and length we can find out area because length into breadth is the area. So area equal to length into breadth. Length into breadth, 15 1 15, and these 3 zeros means area is 15,000 meter square. Why we put the meter square? Because this 1 meter for length and 1 meter for breadth. So m into m means m square, meter square. Cost of plowing. Suppose that this is the field and we have to plow. Before any type of cultivation we have to plow. This is the plowing of the field. So plowing will be there along with the area, not the perimeter. This is the perimeter. If we talk about the perimeter, so this will be fencing. We take the fencing to the perimeter in plowing or flooring, placing the tiles in area. So simply multiply the area by the cost of 1 meter. So cost of plowing means area into, this is the 1 meter cost, means area into 1.2. This will be 18,000 and 0.00. 2 decimal place here. Place the decimal inside 2 digit. After the decimal there is 00. No need to write these 00. Simply 8,000 rupees is the total cost of plowing the field. This is the solution First of all, we will find the breadth. Using these breadth and length, find out the area. Using the area, find out the total cost of plowing of the field. Now question number 17, this is similar to the 16th question. Now total cost of a rectangular hall. Total cost of flooring of the rectangular hall is 2048 rupees, and 1 per meter cost is 64 rupees. It means if we have to flooring the floor, means we have to place number tiles or whatever. The cost of 1 meter, suppose this is the 1 meter area, cost of 1 meter area is 64 rupees, and we have to floor this complete area. So this is the cost of 1 meter, 2 meter square, 3 meter square, 4 meter square, 5, 6, 7, 8. It means whatever the area, what is the area of this field. So to find out the area of this field, what is the total cost to flooring this, simply divide the total cost by the per meter area cost. So this is the total cost, this is the per meter cost. So area of the floor equal to total cost upon per meter cost. Total cost is 2048 rupees and per meter cost is 64 rupees. Divide this, 32 meter square will be the area. This is the area of the field. Now using this area, we have to find out point 1 L. L means length. Breadth is given 5 meter in the question. Area we have already found out. This is 32 meters square. Area equal to length into breadth. Simply place 32 in place of area. Length is not defined and B is 5. Length we have to find out. So length equal to 32 upon 5. This will be 6.4 meter. This is the length. Now this length will be used. Perimeter we have to find out, length plus breadth. Formula perimeter of the rectangular field, 2 into length plus breadth, place the value of L, place the value of V. This will be 11.4 multiplied by 2, 22.8 meter. Now cost of fixing the border. This is the field. We have to fix the border. Border means it's a perimeter. So we will use the perimeter. This is the border, perimeter. So cost of fixing border means perimeter into per meter cost 60 rupees. Perimeter is this. Per meter cost means 1368 rupees. 0.0 means rupees 1368. 1360 is the total cost of fixing the border. Now question number 18. In 18th question, in this question is the length of the rectangle is 3 times its breadth. And area of the rectangle is 1875 centimeter square. Means whatever the breadth, length is just 3 times of the breadth. Means we consider breadth is B, so length is 3B. Then area is already given. Using this length and breadth and area, we will find out the complete value of length and breadth, proper value. Area equal to length and breadth. So area equal to length into breadth. This is 3 1 3 B into B, B square. It means 3B square is area. Transfer this 3. This is in multiplication relation. So this will go in division. Means B square equal to 1875 upon 3. This will be cancelled by 625 times. Means B square equal to 625. 625 will be written as 25 into 25. This will be, you can solve this if you have any type of doubt. Solve this type using the prime factorization method. 5 1 5, 5 2 10, 5 5 25. Again divide by 5, 5 2 10, and this is 5 5 25. Again divide by 5, 5 5 25. This is 5 into 5 and 5 into 5. This 5 into 5, 5 5 25 into 5 into 5, 5 5 25. So this is 25 into 25. It means we can write 625 as 25 into 25. It means 25 whole square. Why we have written in this form? Because this square will be cancelled there. This square and square can be cancelled there. So we have written 625 as 25 square. Now square and square will be cancelled there. then b equal to 25 centimeter. This is the breadth. Now length will be 3 times of the breadth. It means 25 into 3 means 75. Using this length and breadth, we have to find out the perimeter. Perimeter is equal to 2 into L plus B. So perimeter equal to 2 into length plus breadth. This is 100 to the 200. This is the perimeter of 18th question. This is the complete solution of exercise 32B. Solve all the remaining questions and complete this work today. Thank you, students.